Hello there, and welcome to the world of lawn care solutions, featuring good vibrations power upgrades. Do you find yourself struggling with your lawn care routine? From back pain caused by heavy trimmers, to the difficulty of maneuvering your lawn tractor, or struggled with a clumsy pull cord? If any of this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Weight-absorbing trimmer strap. Say goodbye to back pain with the zero-gravity weight-absorbing trimmer strap. This bungee-style strap makes your trimmer feel 75% lighter, reducing strain and allowing you to trim for longer periods without discomfort. Take control with the Easy Rider tight turn steering knob. With one-handed steering and a universal fit, it's easy to install and provides smooth, precise control. Perfect for lawn UTVs, boats, golf carts, and more. Need to tow? We offer 4 versatile off-road towing solutions for your tractor or ATV. Hitch plates. The HITCHIN Post Plus 3-way hitch plate provides multiple towing methods, including a 1 7/8" tow ball, a hitch pinhole, and dual tow loops, making it a versatile choice for various attachments. For zero-turn mowers, the Z-HITCH zero-turn hitch plate offers the same functionality as the Post Plus. Hitch pins. The Kingpin Quick Connect hitch pin allows for one-handed hitching and release, with a spring-loaded mechanism that makes connecting and disconnecting your equipment quick and easy. The Auto Lock magnetic hitch pin is designed to make hitching simple too. Loaded with over 25 pounds of locking force, each Good Vibrations hitching solution is designed to make towing your lawn care equipment effortless and efficient. Lawnmower pull cord handles. Struggling to start your equipment? Tired of the pain and strain from traditional T-handles? Upgrade to our Get a Grip or Start Me Up handles. Both options provide a full grip for comfort and ease of use, making starting your mower or other pull cord equipment effortless. The Get a Grip is an economical option with a robust plastic handle designed to accommodate your entire hand. For those seeking additional comfort, the Start Me Up handle features extra padding and a soft grip design. Grasshawk dual-bladed mower scraper. Keep your mower in top condition with the Grasshawk dual-bladed mower scraper. It features a locking, rotating, dual-bladed head to allow you to scrape grass buildup from any angle with ease. Rough Rider off-road drinking mug. Stay refreshed with the Rough Rider off-road drinking mug. Its locking lid and gel lock base ensure your drink stays secure, even on rough terrain. The lid is spring-loaded too, opening at the press of a button. During hot, humid summer lawn care routines, cool refreshment is always right at the tip of your fingers. WHEELIES tractor wheel covers. Protect and stylize your tractor wheels with WHEELIES tractor wheel covers. We offer 2 variations to suit your needs. The WHEELIES Nitro 6-inch and 8-inch tractor wheel covers snap securely onto your tractor wheels, providing protection against rust and grass stains while adding a sleek look. Their all-black finish offers a low-profile appeal. For larger wheels, the WHEELIES 10-inch and 12-inch tractor wheel covers are what you need. Make your lawn care tasks a pleasure, not a chore. Good Vibrations, making lawn care easier, one upgrade at a time.